Yep, catch on. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Early start today. It's almost 5:45. I'm gonna start off with my own fly. Traditionally, I think that's gonna become a tradition now. I've got a new fly. I tied it yesterday. I was tying it until like midnight. Green tail, green body, red head, a little bit of silver flash at the front. And then I've got another one with me, which is just a little red pattern with silver, just literally just a little red streamer. Let's see how it goes. I apologize in advance guys if there's sound quality issues because of the wind. I really didn't expect it to be windy today. It wasn't meant to be. I'd say it's perfect weather for pike today as well. Finally. It's gonna be a small pike, I think. However, I'm more than happy with that because it just means that my fly works. Oh, there you go. He noticed me, so he's gonna put up a little bit of a fight. Another pike. Call it Pako fly. Nice little jack pike. Start the day with 7 o'clock. Yep. That might be a good fish. Decent fish. Decent fish. Okay. Second pike on Pako fly today. It has some sort of, I don't know if it's cancer or something. Good size fish. Really good size fish. It has some sort of thing growing on its lip. Very heavy pike. Two pike to the boat, and hopefully not the last two. 4 hours of fishing, 2 pike. See guys, it takes time, it takes effort, persistence, perseverance. If you're spending time fishing and you're not catching anything, you keep blanking, don't get discouraged. And I'm directing those words to my best friend Matt actually. He lives in Australia, but he's been trying to catch a fish lately and he's getting discouraged because he can't catch anything, so keep going Matt. Eventually you get something on. What a shame. That's a big fish. Really good sized pike. I'm not sure if it was an otter that attacked it, although if it was an otter it would probably be partially eaten, but it seems like it's a whole pike. Could be injuries from another pike, could be someone just not handling the pike properly. Oh, that's a pike. I thought he's gonna take it. Maybe he'll come back. He was interested in it, clearly, because he kept following it all the way to the boat and then came back for it as well, but just doesn't want to bite it. Now I've got no clue where to look for it. It might be right under me, actually. It might be right under the boat. But that's the thing, like, if they're so indecisive that they have to come all the way to the boat, because normally you get hit, like you cast under the tree, you start working the lure, and boom, you've got a pike on. The ones that come all the way to the boat, it's difficult to actually convince them to take the lure, especially if they're so close to you and they can see you and get spooked. So guys, time for a little cooking. First I would prep the sausage, maybe have a bite, taste it. Oil in the pot. Cut the sausages as you desire. It can be chunky cubes, it can be smaller. You cut it quite chunky. Courgette. It's only half courgette in this small portion for myself. Peppers and courgettes can be next to each other. They're gonna go into the pot at the same time. It's a one-pot dish. That's the great thing about it. So you don't have to carry a lot of pots and pans with you. You can have just one little pot, and that's enough. One thing that's missing here that I would like to normally add is green pepper. I don't have any green peppers at home. Garlic, for the big portion I would usually add 4 cloves. So in here I would say maybe 2. Well, I like garlic, so maybe 3 actually. I was meant to take a metal bowl, and that metal bowl was supposed to serve as a lid, but I forgot it, so there is no lid. I'm just gonna have to reduce the heat and hope that everything is not gonna evaporate. When it comes to spices, this is just a mixture of salt, pepper, sweet paprika, smoked paprika. Oh, there was a pike, there was a pike, there was a pike. That would be awesome, that would be absolutely amazing. Those are plum tomatoes, so I'm gonna have to cut them because they're whole. Some Maggi. I'll start from sausages, chuck them all in. I think I'm ready to throw in onions. Always remember to throw garlic last because it burns much quicker than onions. Okay, time to add the courgettes and the peppers. But if you really like meat, if you like sausages and stuff, go ahead and add 1.5 or even 2. This is what it looks like after we added sausages, onions, garlic, courgettes and peppers. And for spices, they don't have to be cut perfectly, you just have to be chopped a little bit. I wouldn't even have to add tomato paste to be honest, but I'm gonna add just a little bit. Tabasco goes in. I like it quite spicy. Always clean up after yourself. If you could bring it, you can take it. The only problem is I don't have a lid. I'm just gonna have a couple of casts, see if pike is around, and then start eating. I'm gonna have to wait for the pot to cool down as well. Iron cast gets hot very easily, but it also holds the heat for quite some time. That's a follow, that's a follow. Nice one. He just stands there. Stand still. Maybe he'll come back. Let's see. It's not the same pike as well. Maybe I need to be a little bit more aggressive with that fly so they actually bite onto it. This is what we have in the pot. If you've never had Leczo, you're missing out. It's absolutely amazing. It's nice if you get like a smoked sausage, a little garnish. Okay. Just a little tiny taste. I am all packed up and ready to set off for continuation of this fishing adventure. Just gonna get this back on board. There we go. Just throw it under. I'm gonna keep it there just in case if I wanted to come to the shore again. No mess was left behind, and that's how it should be. But I am shocked that there is no sign of rubbish bin in this area, like absolutely nowhere. I walked out on the street, I checked to the left, checked to the right, 100-200 meters, there's no bins. There are 2 more pike in here, dead. So nice and peaceful. The only thing is, it's not the best for pike fishing now. Yep, follow, that's a follow. Big one. Big one. That's a big pike. God damn it. No, come on. Oh, he had such a fat belly. Yes. Come on. Come on. Oh, did you guys see that? I'm gonna try a few spoons. This is a homemade spoon made by my uncle. Handmade, not homemade. Handmade spoon made by my uncle. Yep, I knew it. I knew it's gonna come off the spoon. Oh, it's a baby. I don't know, I'm gonna land it. It's gonna get tangled in the net if I land it. No, I guess I have no choice but to land it. Well, now I'm gonna lose it anyway. in a minute. Yeah, small pike. Very, very small. It doesn't even have the strength to pull the drag. Finally. Ooh. That was so lucky, Jesus Christ. I really wish I could keep this landing net completely open on the boat, but there's just very limited space in here. That's why I keep folding it. Okay, there he is. Very small pike. It's definitely not the one that followed my lure all the way to the jetty. Not even the one that followed to the boat here. It's neither of them, I think. Slightly smaller. Yes. Yes. No. That's a fifth follow. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys saw that. That's a first. The spoon landed on the top of the pike and he just literally carried it. Again. I don't understand. That's sixth follow. And I was literally just swimming past just beside my lure, basically, beside the spoon. I just saw it. It wasn't following my spoon. I'm reeling this way and he just went that way. Just past it. And it's already 3:24. I did not plan to stay here so long. I've been up since 2:30 in the morning today. It's been 13 hours now that I've been on my feet, and I've slept only 2 hours. So once I run out of space or once my battery dies, I'm just gonna head to the car park and start packing up. But I want to catch at least one more pike, hopefully. Yes, come on. You bastard. You bastard. That's 8th follow. Yep, catch one. Yeah, finally. Small one again. Better than nothing though. Might be nothing in a minute. No, you took it deep. No. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it came off. Oh, come on. That was my first cast after that 4th pike. I don't have that much time left because of the battery and because of the SD card, and also because I'm extremely tired. So just in case if my battery was to suddenly die or I'm gonna run out of space, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.